that is also easy. It's a perfect cube. 11 raised to power p plus 7 into 7 raised to power q minus 2 into 5 raised to power r plus 1 into 3 raised to power s. It is not 5, it is s. It's a perfect cube where p, q, r, s are positive integers. Then the smallest value of p plus q plus r plus s is. We need to find out the smallest value of these integers. To make it perfect cube, every power, because every prime is a different prime, so we need to make it every prime as a perfect cube. So to make it perfect cube, p should be how much? They are positive integers. So this number should be at least 9. So if p plus 7 is 9, the minimum possible value is 2. Now here, do not try to make 3. Can I make it 0 as well? If I take 7 raised to power 0, then also it should be a perfect cube, na? So here, that is, I'm taking 0 power. If I'm taking 0, then q will be 2. Again, it is coming out to be perfect cube, मतलब positive integer. This, obviously, I have to take it at least 3. No, I cannot take it 3, otherwise r plus 1 is 3 now, so r will be at least 2, correct? Can I take it as 0? No, I cannot take as 0 because they are positive integer. So s I have to take it 3 at least. So these are the minimum possible value of p, q, r and s. And what is the answer? Answer is 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3. Answer is 9. So again, I think till now you have seen many questions, not very difficult question based on number also in Z. So Z is considered to be tough. Matlab exam, it is not actually. Geometry is slightly tougher, but rest of the topics are pretty okay. Come to the next one. And this question, x and y are digits at the unit place of the number 408x and 789y, where x is not equal to y. However, the digits at the unit place of the number 408x raised to power 63, that is in power, and 789y raised to power 85 are same. The unit place digit is same. X raised to power 63, the unit place of this number and unit place of this number is same. What will be the possible value of x plus y? Now, if you know how to find a unit digit, I'm sure you know how to find. We divide the power by 4. So what is the remainder here? Remainder is 3, and whatever the remainder is, we multiply unit digit at as many times to finally find the answer unit digit. So unit digit of this number is actually x cube. And what is the remainder here? Remainder is 1. So unit digit of this number, it's y. And the question says both the unit digits are same. So x cube is equal to y. If x cube is equal to y and x is not equal to y, so I cannot take 1 because 1 cube will be equal to 1. In that case, 1 and 1 will be same. X should not be equal to y. I cannot take 4 cube because if I take 4 cube, this will also be 4. So what I can take? I can take 2 cube. So this becomes 8. I can take 3 cube. So this becomes 7. I cannot take 4 because 4 cube will be 4. I cannot take 5 because 5 cube again will be 5. Unit digit we are talking about. 6 cube will end with 6. And 7 cube I can take it. 7 cube will end with 3. And 8 cube will end with 2. The unit digit are these many. Okay. I cannot take 9. 9 cube will also be 9. What is asking? Asking what is the value of x plus y? If I take 2 and 8, again this will be 10. If I take 3 and 7, this will be 10. 7 plus 3 will also be 10. Or 8 plus 2 will be 10. So what is the answer? X plus y, the only possible answer is 10. In all the cases, the answer will be 10. So simple question, find the unit digit and put it equal. Okay, one more question. Question says, David has an interesting habit of spending money. He spent exactly X pound on X day of the month. For example, he spends exactly £5 on 5th of any month. On a few days in a year, David noticed that his cumulative spending during the last 4 consecutive days can be expressed as 2 raised to power n, where n is a natural number. What can be the possible value of n? Now 2 raised to power n. So the sum of any 4 number can be at least 10. So the spending can be 16. The spending can be 2 raised to power 5, which is 32, or 64, or so on. 128, 256, or so on. Okay. Now this is not possible because the 4 month, the maximum digit can be 31. So the 4 maximum sum can be only this. So this cannot be equal to 128. This has to be less than 128. So this sum and this sum is not possible. So we need to just check for these 4 numbers. Can I get the value of 16 anyhow? 4 consecutive number. The minimum is 10. To get 16, the average should be 4. So if I make it hit and trial kind of thing, 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, that is 11 plus 7, that is 18. And if I try to take it lesser than that, 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, the answer will be reduced by 4. So this will be 14. So it can never be 16. Similarly, if I look for 32, the average is 8, right? If I look for the numbers 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, that is 19 plus 15, that will be 34. And if I take it one lesser number, 6, 7, 8, 9, the answer will be 32. Again, not possible. If I take 64, the average is 16. So let's say 15, 16, 17, and 18. So that is 16.5 is the average. 16.5 into 4 comes out to be 66. If I take the lesser value, then this answer will be 62. So again, it seems this is also not possible. But here it is not mentioned that you cannot take the dates of next year, next month as well. This is not possible any of the case. But look at like this. If the dates are 30th and 31, this makes 61. And if I take the next 2 dates, where of next month, so the 4 consecutive days can be 30th and 31st of the previous month and 1st and 2nd of the next month. So 4 consecutive days and the total spending will be 64. So the only possible answer is that is 64, which is 2 raised to power 6. So what is the value of n? The value of n can be only 6. No other value will satisfy. You cannot write 32 in this manner. So I can take 31 plus 1, but next 2 days I cannot write it like this. Getting it? You cannot take it 30 plus 1, the next date will be 2 and 3. So no other value is possible except 64. So answer is 6. This is a good question.